Out here at the Santa Maria salvage yard, looking for my new rim. Found this guy right here. Found this jack in the back of another car. This is from a much older Nissan Versa, but it has the same bolt pattern. And it should be a good rim. I think, hopefully. Turns out I don't have anything to turn the jack with. Let's see if this will work. The lug nut doesn't fit around there. This isn't gonna work. This would be silly. Next time I'll bring my jack. Looks like it is in a lot better condition than mine. I'll take this up there and see how much they'll charge for it. But first, oh, what the heck? That's not it. This one's not needed here. Just those are for lifting up the whole car. Wish me luck. Hopefully this thing transfers up, my entire transfers out, it will be good. Alright, I can stick back to Walmart and then do it.